Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is the weekend, but not just any weekend. This is the first weekend of our birthday celebration event. Listen, we want to give a massive thank you to all of our loyal members. We launched 8 years ago, and it has been a tremendous honor to serve you and continue to be the leader in unbeatable value in the marketing industry. And to reward all of you loyal members, we are unlocking our best seller vault. These are the products that have been closed and locked away after they originally launched on $5 Friday, never to be seen at $5 Friday pricing ever again. So this is now a second chances for the loyal, first looks for the new. What does that mean? Well, we are returning these for our VIP customers who've been with us for years and years. You know, if life got in the way and you were busy and you missed one of these best sellers, to celebrate with you, we're giving you a second chance. And of course, new members would have never seen these best-selling products from the past. So we're going to launch 4 legendary product bundles, 3 best-selling products returning for a limited encore. And the best part is they're going to be returning each at original mega deal pricing. So why this anniversary vault sale is different? Well, they're all top sellers. They are evergreen products, never again offered for $5 until now. 7-day window for 3 products each week. And again, I can't stress this enough, never repeated pricing. This is the lowest price these products will ever be offered again. The deals that got away are coming back home. This is your moment. If you missed it, grab it. New here, discover it. New bundle drops each Friday starting today. Available for 7 days max, no exception. Welcome to the $5 Friday anniversary vault event. Below this video, you'll see images and buttons for this Friday's 3 product bundle. Click the button, visit the demo page, choose the ones that are best for your business, and I'll see you on the inside.